So let's face it, when it comes to trucks, diesel trucks do an exceptional job of towing, especially big boats. They're built for it, they have the transmissions for it. But at the end of the day, a diesel truck takes some maintenance and takes some, taking care of when you start getting into those winter months. Because at the end of the day, you don't know what you're getting from the station. It could be a place that doesn't have treated fuel for those temperatures, and they might have leftover fuel if it's a small station that hasn't been treated at all or enough. And so one of the things I like to do is obviously treat the diesel fuel in my truck with a winter treatment. But at the end of the day, I always want to carry a degelling formula with me. Now this is something you're going to use after it's a problem. Your truck has gelled up, it's cold, it leaves you stranded, your truck shuts off. And so by simply following the directions on the back of this, you're going to add a bunch of it to your fuel system through the tank. And then you're going to take off your spin-off fuel filter and add the rest of it to that fuel filter. And after 20 minutes, it should do the job of degelling that diesel fuel and get you back operational. But the most important thing is having this with you, because time is of the essence if this happens. You don't want to be without a vehicle and without heat, sitting there waiting for someone to come get you. And so to me, this is something I always carry with me, because until it's a problem is when it's going to be even a bigger problem if I don't have it. So I always carry this with me throughout the winter months.